security. So it was late.
What is that actually? That different
serial cable.
Why are you using serial cable in this?
Simply to show some difference. That's all.
But you can use a fast Ethernet also.
Yeah, you can also use fast Ethernet. That's not an issue.
Okay.
You can use any cable.
Okay.
Just I wanted to show you that this is how it works in serial cable and this is how it works in fast cable. Eigrp behaves in the same manner in both the cables.
Okay.
So I'll give the IP address first.
What's the clock rate? You didn't use that serial, no? S.0?
Yeah, I used it. I'll show you.
But you didn't have an IP address to that. Oh.
Okay.
What's the clock rate?
Clock rate, it's a value which is specified on DCN. Serial cable has two ends, DTN and DC. So DCN is an end which belongs to a service provider. DTN will be your end. So clock rate defines the speed which you can use.
So whenever you use serial cable, you must provide the clock rate.
Exactly. At the DCN. Okay. This is to define what speed you are allowed to use by your service provider. It's given by your service provider at a DCN.
So what is the default clock rate? 6400.
No default clock. We have to specify. I use the value 64,000. You can use any value like clock rate. There are lots of values. You can use any value.
Okay.
Okay. It's bit specific.
Okay.
Got it? Okay. Now, what I'll do, I'll capture this. Not this serial.
What will you mean capture?
Capture.
Okay.
Now it's here, right? So this is being captured. So I want to see what's being captured using a tool called as Wireshark.
Okay, I was guessing in my laptop what is that Wireshark? Okay.
Okay. So what I'll do now, see, these are normal key plans which happens whenever you switch on a device, right? Now if I go to router 1, I'm going to configure router Eigrp. And what is this? It's autonomous system number. It's autonomous system number. So if you want to create a Eigrp domain, or if you want these devices to be in same Eigrp domain, they should have same autonomous system number. So if I'm using 100 over here, all the devices should have 100. Clear? And the very first command which you have to give is no auto summary, because Eigrp also does auto summarization by default. Okay. So to disable it, we have to give no auto summary. And then what are the networks we have? Do show IP route. See, we have two networks. Network 192.1.12.0. Okay. You can advertise like this. You can also advertise like this 192.1.12.0 and wildcard mask 0.0.0.25. You can also do this.
What are you trying to do now? Advertise in the sense?
Advertising, enabling, has to do with it.
Okay,
Using the network command. What is the use of network command? It enables that particular protocol on the interface where you are specifying it to be. For this network on that, particular interface. So in Eigrp we can advertise in different ways. Like in RIP, we use only network and the network ID, a major network ID. That's it. But here you can specify like this, or you can also exactly specify the subnet. There is wildcard mask, or you can also give your IP address like 1.1.1.1. At this time, it will automatically take.
So you're
the subnet mask from
you're advertising to the other.
First thing is you have to understand this thing. You are enabling it. You are running Eigrp. How you will run Eigrp? You will not run Eigrp for this router. You will enable Eigrp per network per interface basis.
Okay.
So if you enable, what is that? If you enable Eigrp for 192.1.12.0 network, where this 192.1.12.0 network is there on this router? On F0/0. So Eigrp will be enabled on this interface for this network. If you simply type in a network which is not there on this router, Eigrp will not be enabled for that network, because that network should be there on your device. The network which you are enabling or advertising.
12.0, this 12.1.
23.0. Got it? Okay. So I am enabling it for 12.0 network.
Okay.
And 1.1 network.
Okay.
Got it? Any doubt?
No.
Okay. I have to do the same thing on this device. Router Eigrp 100, not a summary, network 2.0.0.0, network 192.1.12.0, and then network 192.1.23.0. See, the neighbor is up.
Okay.
These two are up now.
Okay.
These two devices
So
have.
they both found the neighbors.
They form neighbor relationship.
Okay.
Now, before hitting enter, I want to show the log. Router 2. If I hit enter, what happens is, see, Eigrp has started sending hello.
Okay. Hello.
Once in 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
So we'll open that packet. The source address is a unique address and destination address multicast. It's a Eigrp hello. We'll open that packet, hello packet. What do you have in that packet? It's Eigrp version 2. This is checksum values.
Hello and acknowledgement also.
Those things. Which autonomous system it belongs to? 100.
Okay.
What software it's running? And Eigrp parameters like K1 and K3, bandwidth and delay.
Okay.
You have totally 5 metrics: bandwidth, delay, load, reliability, and MD. Out of which only bandwidth and delay is used. And even Cisco doesn't recommend you to use any other metric.
Okay.
So K1 is bandwidth, K3 is delay. Okay. Hold timer 15 seconds. Got it? Okay. Now I'll go to the next device.
Router 3.
That is router 3. Router Eigrp 100. Network. See, if you give this command, it doesn't enable Eigrp.
Okay.
See, you're not getting any packets from 23.3.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Only if you enable it
Network
using a network command.
You're advertising. Okay.
Yeah, you are enabling the protocol and then you are advertising it. Okay. Now, what I'll do is 192.1.12. Sorry, not 12, 23.0. Right? If I hit enter, what happens? 23.3.
Okay.
I'll stop this first. Okay, we'll analyze this first. See, 23.3 started sending hello, and both were exchanging hello. After forming neighbor relationship, see, they are unicast now.
Okay.
What I told you, except hello packet, all other packets are sent to unicast.
Okay.
See the proof? It's using unicast. And what is the packet name? Update packet. Name of the packet is update packet. See, they started exchanging their updates. And after that, they are acknowledging each other. What do you have in the update packet? See, What do you find in that update packet? See?
Now, what are they updating first?
Update packet. What is the use of update packet? Which we saw yesterday.
No, database.
Yeah.
Forming, we have exchange of routing information.
Hello packet is used to form neighbor relationship.
Okay.
After forming
exchange
neighbor
of routing
relationship,
information.
I have to exchange my routing information using update packet. See, an update packet which is sent from 23.2, which device? 23.2. This device is sending some update to 23.3.
Okay.
Right?
Where is the acknowledgement?
See, first we'll finish this.
Okay.
What he is sending? What is there in that update packet? He is sending some information about 2 network.
Okay.
None in some other, what is it? Where it is? Yeah, here. See, he is sending information about 2 networks.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
And then after that acknowledgement. See?
Okay, the 2 network is giving no. My question is, 2 network is sending an update.
No,
3 network,
2 network is not sending any updates.
2 network receiving updates.
23.2 23.2 is sending update to 23.3 about his 2 network.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. He's sending an update.
And
he didn't send an acknowledgement back, right? Immediately.
See?
Or at the end only acknowledgement.
No, yeah, at the end it sends that acknowledgement. Clear?
Oh, okay.
So you know the use of hello packet, update and acknowledgement packet, right? Okay. Now I'll also show you.
Play it now. We'll see how many hello packet.
Yeah. Again, I have to get inside.
Capture. Start fresh.
See, both are exchanging their hello packets. Always hello packets use multicast address. If I send, what I'll do is I'll create another loopback on. See here, I'm going to create another loopback on R1, 11.1.1.1, and I'm going to advertise it. I'm creating another loopback on router 1, 11.1.1.1, and I'm going to advertise it. What packet should I see on this link? What should I receive?
Hello.
I should receive an update.
Okay.
Right? Let's see. See? I receive an update about what? 11 network. I should receive it, right? See? The information is about 11 network.
Okay.
Got it? So update packet is only used to send updates.
So you're creating another loopback to R3 in the router R2.
No, R1.
Okay, now again, for example, you're creating
okay.
another loopback for a router R2, the router R2.
Okay.
So when you advertise the thing, R3 should get it, right?
Exactly.
Update packet R3 should get it. Okay.
We were capturing this link only. So even this update has to go to this device. So I got an update on this link.
Okay.
Clear? Okay. Now what I'll do is I have a loopback 0 called as 1.1.1.1 previously, right? So what I'll do is I'll remove that. Or I'll shut down that interface. Interface loopback 0. See, I'm going to shut down my loopback 0 interface. Shut down. See what happens. What you are getting? Query. About what?
That loop.
About one network.
One network, yeah. We are shutting it down.
What is he saying? He is saying that even I am unreachable. Got it?
Got it.
That's it. So even he is unreachable, so he is giving a reply saying that sorry, I am unreachable.
Even I am unreachable. Okay.
Got it?